by Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration.
Well, how's it going, Ohio Valley? Once again, that heat is back across our doorstep. Now, it's like, when are we going to get the break, Mother Nature? It's been a lot of sunshine, blue skies. I'm all for it, but we need the rain in between, and that's what we're dealing with as we head through this work week. We had that dark red go out over the weekend. That was our watch, our heat watch. Now we have that heat advisory, the light orange going out across the board. It's not as bad as it could be, like those down to the northwest towards Fort Wayne, where they're dealing with that just absolute insane heat. Now, we're going to still see our temperatures climb into the lower 90s today, partly cloudy skies, but the heat advisory does outline us until Friday at 8 p.m. So the entire work week, we're dealing with temperatures in the mid to upper 90s, maxing out just about until this weekend, and then we'll taper back down. But still, Monday, even after a passing disturbance, we're right back to where we started this weekend in the upper 80s. So it's still going to be hot out there. And make sure you guys are keeping an eye on the kiddos, the elderly. Make sure you guys have that air conditioning working and the heat exhaustion. It's definitely a thing. If you have never experienced that heat exhaustion, it kind of resembles somebody being a little bit sleepy or maybe depressed or sad. You don't really know what's going on until you check in with them, and make sure you're checking in with people, because it's very easy to get carried away out there in the sunshine for about an hour, and now all of a sudden you're just feeling not so swell. And that's exactly how easy it'll creep up on you. The rest of your day, cloud coverage sort of present. We'll see some buildup this afternoon and evening, but you have to remind yourself, high pressure. That's a surface-based feature. We do have a little bit of instability in the upper levels of our atmosphere. That doesn't necessarily mean we'll see rainfall here at the surface. Better chance to see that rainfall, though, as we step through Tuesday. I have outlined us in that spotty chance for some thunderstorm action, but there it is. Very limited. If you see some rainfall, consider yourself lucky. So basically, Hancock, best chance to see some rainfall. Closer to the lakes will be the name of the game as we move forward if you want to see some rainfall. But for the Ohio River Valley, it's more so wishful thinking. There's a look at your 7-day forecast. Juneteenth is on Wednesday, but the temperatures are in the upper 90s throughout the work week. They don't care what day of the work week it is. It's humidity, temperatures climbing, and the heat index. It's sitting right around 100 plus throughout this work week. So that really puts things into perspective when you take into consideration how hot it is with the relative humidity being 60 plus throughout this work week. I hope you guys have a great work week despite the heat, but as we head closer to the work week, finally seeing that light at the end of the tunnel. But I will, I guess, be the bearer of bad news. Think about this. It's been nice for quite some time. We've had sunshine left or right. That can mean only one thing when we close out this nice weather, the potential for severe weather. And that's more so as we head into that following work week. So for this work week, try to enjoy the sunshine, but try to also beat that heat.